Looking for expert laptop repair services? Check out Intechs Computers. We offer a bunch of awesome solutions to keep your laptop in top-notch condition. Laptop hinges repair, screen replacement, keyboard replacement, touchpad replacement, charger port repairs, laptop case, housing replacement, software installation, fan service and replacement, touchscreen replacement, BIOS upgrade, drivers installation, motherboard repair and replacement, battery replacement, RAM upgrade, SSD upgrade, HDD replacement, USB virus removal, blue screen troubleshooting, boot issues, fix, troubleshooting and diagnosis. Visit our location at World Business Center, 3rd floor, Shop 9, Tom Mboya Street, Kenya. Call 0723126088 for more details or placing an order.